We're here in Mount Kira for today's video. In Mount Kira, Wollongong. Yes, we're having a look out over here. So they're going over there. Going on a lookout. It's a bit cool. Bit cool because we're full of trees. Oh, there's another rowing trail over there. Let's see.
Where's our house?
We're on top of here.
Mommy,
Yes.
where's our house down there?
Oh, there's another track over there. Walking track.
Mommy, where's our house?
Oh, I don't know. I couldn't find it. They're too little.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. This is Mount Kira. So Wollongong is here. Look at Cameron, we're on top.
Can you
On
see?
top over there.
A little bit hazy and cloud.
Yeah, too hazy. Here we go.
I hope there's no landslide.
Here we go. We're going to Mount Kira. Going in the bushes,
This is
Cameron.
Five
I think-
Island Lookout.
I think
This is 5 Island Lookout, guys, in Mount Kira, Wollongong. Okay? So there's too many trees here, but
Whoa.
at least they have this gate to stop you falling.
Down there, Cameron.
Stop you falling on the cliff. Here, see this one? Look at that. It's high. So it's a good thing they have this one. And the road is a little bit steep. Yes, Cameron?
Whoa.
Are you leading the way?
I'm leaving the way.
Okay. Can we trust you and follow you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cameron likes to lead when we're in the bush.
Yeah.
That way, if there's a snake, you'll see the snake first.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's that?
Cameron's on the lookout. He's a tour guide, right?
Oh, okay.
He'll tell
it's
us if
just
there's
all tour.
snakes, there's spiders
Sit
in
down
the
there.
tree.
Sit here.
Which one
Yeah,
was?
sit. I take a photo.
The chair of peace.
A chair of peace.
You're showing your balls, kid.
Showing your bum. Okay. So Cameron is leading our way, and me and my partner, partner in crimes.
Not husband.
Well, partner in crimes, husband.
Come on.
Cameron's a tour
We're
guide.
married.
How far
Cameron-
have we got to go,
Cameron is married. Cameron is the tour guide. Cameron, how far we gonna go? What are you doing?
I think 25. I think 5.
5 more?
Yeah.
5 more minutes?
And 5 too.
Okay. Oh God.
Oh, look down there, Cameron. Oh, don't fall down there, mate.
Oh yeah, too many cliffs. Long way, Cameron. Oh, bless you. Long way. Be careful. So, okay. Long way, Cameron. What's this?
We need to cross the rock, I guess.
Which way we got now, mate?
With this.
It's a rock.
Why does it not work?
It will soon, mate. That's because we're in the trees and we can't see the satellite. I told you, the satellite gives you the Wi-Fi. Right?
So windy. Oh, sorry. Wow. tells you the water is very cold. Don't go in the water, okay? Beautiful Wollongong. Wollongong, very windy. Wow, look at this, Cameron. Too many rocks. Very dangerous to swim.
Well, really windy here, Wollongong.